way. Doesn't seem like many people know about this spot. There's nobody here but us. It's a real pretty waterfall. Shooting off this mountain. Wolf Creek. Triple lock, baby. Triple lock. Woo! We're going to go. Got all the lockers on. I got that locker on, this locker on, lock and hung on, triple lock. We're probably going to be stuck right here on it.
All right, guys. We're on the middle of the trail right here, Hurricane Creek. We're waiting on the crew. Having some steering problems right now. But as soon as they get that straightened out, they'll be right up the trail shortly. That trail. So we're running a little behind. It's getting kind of late in the day. We're trying to get up this campsite up there, and it's a little quiet spot. Hopefully there's nobody there. And but I haven't been there before, and I was hoping to get there before dark, but we run into a couple of issues. Now we're having an issue with the alternator's not charging on the Dodge Ramcharger. So it's a one-wire alternator, so there's not much that can go wrong. It either works or it doesn't. So they'll hook that back up. Hopefully that'll be charging then, and we'll continue on. So let's get on up the trail and hopefully get to camp soon. But wow, it's a beautiful day out here. Beautiful. In North Carolina and Tennessee, it's just a beautiful, beautiful time of year. All right, just got word that the Racmcharger is Racmcharging, and they are on their way back up the trail, so should be rejoining us shortly. Having a great time out here. Great time.
This particular spot does offer a bit of a challenge with the roots and the tree in the way and mud, and just less than optimal traction conditions. But you can see that front locker working on the Racmcharger. Next up is the Jeep TJ.
Yep.
Good job.
Hey, hold up. You might want to let her drive. don't ever get to drive.
Did you see that rabbit hole in the tree?
I did not.
That was awesome.
I'm just glad I put that front locker in. It's made such a big difference.
Can I brag real quick?
What'd you do?
When I came up right here, it started to spin and I stopped and then just kept right on. I was like, well, there's the locker.
This is really such a cool campsite. There's plenty of room for several rigs and groups to set up here and sprawl out, maybe play some guitar and just relax and enjoy each other's company. But the best part is this incredible waterfall. Hope you guys like this. Check it out.
Sweet thing about this campsite is that it's right next to its namesake here, the waterfall, Golden Creek Falls.
After getting up and moving, we headed back the way we came, pretty much towards the interstate. Once there, we crossed the Pigeon River and went up the mountain to a scenic overlook called Buzzards Roost. It's beautiful. It overlooks Big Bend in the Pigeon River and I-40. Check this out. Man, what a sight.
Pretty good place to post up.
Now, we just got off Buzzards Roost and we're on Old Buzzards Roost. 289, I believe the Forest Service number is, but it's a pretty cool road.
And that pretty much wraps us up for this video. I really enjoyed bringing this video to you guys and sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you can, get outdoors. Till next time. Oh, listen, you want to stick around and see the next video. We're headed west. This is the start of the trip. You're going to want to subscribe and hit a bell notification and all that good stuff so you can keep up with what we're doing. I've got some great footage coming out. Thank you so much for watching. If I hadn't said that, thank you so much. Y'all be safe.
Get it.